Very good morning, students. Today I am here again with the third part of the explanation of the lesson 12, Turkish Delight. So I have left you with a question. Do you think that Edmund's encounter with the queen is strange? Encounter means Edmund's and the queen's meeting, encounter, come face to face, whether it is a strange. So I suppose you must have got some answers, and what I want to tell you is, of course it is a strange encounter. Neither this queen was aware of the arrival of Edmund, nor the Edmund never thought what a type of world he has entered. And he said that he is come from a wardrobe, and it happened that he reached over there. But exactly it was not pre-planned, not earlier planned, but it has happened. But the wicked queen is very powerful. There is a possibility that she can even make the things happen. No? Must have did some magical power work and must have brought this poor Edmund over inside. Okay, whatever it is. So finally, two things was offered, a drink and a dish offered to Edmund, and Edmund was very delighted. He himself made a choice of asking and getting the drink as well as asking for a Turkish delight, and he ate that, and it was very, very tasty, and he was quite comfortable and warm now. Now let us see ahead. Page 95. So while he was eating, the queen kept asking him questions, and he never asked himself why the queen should be so inquisitive. Inquisitive means curious. And Edmund was keep on eating this Turkish delight and enjoying, and while doing that, the queen was taking the advantage. She was asking so many questions from him, and Edmund never thought why this queen is asking so many inquisitive, curious questions to him. He never felt anything, and he was keeping on answering. She got him to tell her that he had one brother and two sisters, and that one of his sisters had already been in Narania. Now you will understand the place called Narania is another excerpt from their part of this only, this lesson also. Now Chronicles of Narania. Narania is also a kind of place where this type of things had happened, and adventurous place. And while talking, like just normal way, the queen asked about the home people, and she came to know that he got a one brother and two sisters, and one of the sisters were there in already been in Narania. She seemed especially interested in the fact that there were four of them. Means he said one brother and two sisters, along with him four, and she was quite happy and kept on coming back to it, and she was making it sure that there are four of them. You are sure there are just four of you? She wanting to know only four. Is there anybody left out? No, continuously he was asking that question. She asked. Edmund, with his mouth full of Turkish delight, Edmund is in another world now, eating the Turkish delight. He was nothing worried about. Full mouth he put, and he was keeping on eating. Said, yes, I told you that before. Already he has given all this information, and he himself doesn't know what all the things the queen asked and what he answered. But one thing he aimed to know, he already told about his one brother and two sisters at home. At last, the Turkish delight was all finished, and Edmund was looking very hard at the empty box and wishing that she would ask him whether he would like some more. Now, finally, such a big box of Turkish delight was offered to him, and he kept on eating, and finally it came to an end. And after finishing, he was staring at the box, empty box, because he has eaten up everything. Means he wanting more to eat a Turkish delight. So He was thinking the queen will ask him, would you like to have some more? But she has not yet asked. So he was looking at the empty box very hard, means like staring at it. Probably the queen quite well, though Edmund did not, that this was enchanted Turkish delight, and that anyone who had once tasted it would want more and more of it. What is the meaning of enchanted? Magical. Now the Turkish delight which was offered to Edmund was a magical, and she knew that one who eats that surely will ask for more, and it has a magical power. So Edmund did not know this part, but the queen was well aware of it. So, but she did not offer him any more. But she did not offer him more Turkish delight. Now we will come to know what is her trick. Instead, she said to him, I should so much like to see your brother and your 2 sisters. Will you bring them to see me? So she did not offer more delight, but she kept a demand. She said, I should so much like to see. She said, I would like to see your brother and your sisters. Will you bring them to see me? Can you bring them to see me? I wanted to just see them. I'll try, said Edmund, still looking at the empty box. So he is still wishing that the queen will provide more. And he said, yes, I will try to bring them. Because if you did come again, now the queen plays her part. She says, yes. Now if you come back again, bring them with you, of course. Now when you come back, you bring them. I'd be able to give you some more Turkish delight. That time I will surely provide you some more Turkish delight. The question. It is evident to us that the queen is keenly interested in Edmund's siblings. Does Edmund also notice this? Edmund never noticed. All of us are aware that. And by going through this whole thing, we'll come to know she was evident, means it is a very openly in front of us that the queen is keenly, very much interested in Edmund's siblings. Siblings, what is the meaning of siblings? Siblings are brothers and sisters. Our own brothers and sisters are known as siblings. So she was more interested in brother and sisters of Edmund. Means if she does some harm to him, so it's not possible. But if you make him happy and comfortable and send him back, surely he will bring his brother and sister. That was her mind. She continued, I want a nice boy whom I could bring up as a prince. Now she is putting up more demand, more things. She said, I actually want a boy whom I want to make a prince, want to bring up as a prince. He would eat Turkish delight all day long, and that boy, one who is going to become, all day it will eat a Turkish delight. And you are the cleverest and handsomest man. Now this word handsomest is not appropriate here. We know that degrees of comparison we have learned. In that we have learned handsome, more handsome, most handsome. No, that is a more. Here is supposed to be more, most handsome. No? So she said, cleverest and most handsome man I have ever met. So now she started to praise Edmund, telling that you are the most cleverest and the most handsome person that she has never met. I think I would like to make you the prince. And she made a choice. She is telling, I would like to make you only as a prince someday when you bring the others to visit me. So she was trying to enchant him with her magical power, and she convinced that when I want to make a prince, and when you come back along with your siblings, I will make you so with that Means to say, the queen sent him back expecting that he will come back along with his brother and sisters. So thereafter, you know what will happen, that if you read the complete story, you will come to know what has happened. So you can go for the Google search, so you will find it, get, and if I am able to get it, I will send you the link, so you can just know the story of this complete story. So we stop here. So what you have to do is read the lesson many times, the copy work up to the drawing and word meanings, kindly copy it and go through the questions one by one. Try to answer by yourself. Thereafter you will get some more exercises and plus the